What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Boondocks Trader. It is Sunday, August 16, 2026, and this is your crypto market insights. We are going to break down the biggest gainers, the biggest losers, the narratives that moved the market this week, and what I am watching heading into next week. Not financial advice. Let's get into it. Audio, 20 seconds. First, the overall market. Total crypto market cap is sitting around $2.25 trillion. Bitcoin is down about 3% on the week, trading near $63,000. Ethereum is down roughly 1.7%, holding just under 1900. The two majors are pulling back slightly while altcoins are doing most of the moving. Bitcoin dominance remains the anchor, but we are seeing rotation in and out of specific altcoin themes. Audio, 30 seconds. Now let's get into the top gainers. First, Chainlink, ticker Link, up about 14.8% on the week. The Oracle narrative is getting attention again, partly because real-world asset tokenization and cross-chain interoperability keep coming up in institutional conversations. WorldCoin, ticker WLD, is up about 15.3%. It is the artificial intelligence identity play, and AI-adjacent tokens are still seeing volatility around any AI infrastructure news. Cosmos, ticker Atom, gained roughly 5.8%. The Cosmos ecosystem is quietly seeing some development activity and airdrop speculation. Lido, ticker LDO, is up about 6.7% as Ethereum staking narratives resurface. Mantle, ticker MNT, is up around 6%. And Monero, ticker XMR, is up about 4%, continuing its privacy coin outperformance in a risk-off mood. These are not recommendations, they are just the names that led this week. Audio, 70 seconds. On the red side, Uniswap, ticker Uni, is the biggest name in pain this week, down about 18%. The fee switch proposal drama is still weighing on the token because traders are unsure how value will actually accrue to Uni holders long-term. Pepe, ticker Pepe, is down about 10.7% as memecoin momentum cools off and capital rotates elsewhere. Fetch.ai, ticker FET, is also down about 10.7%, showing that AI tokens can move in both directions quickly. Cardano, ticker ADA, is down roughly 9.5%. Aptos, ticker APT, is down about 11.4%. The Graph, ticker GRT, is down about 8.1%. And there is one name that got absolutely destroyed this week, Beat, down about 90%. That kind of move usually means a contract exploit, a rug pull, or some kind of tokenomics failure. If you were in it, I feel for you, but this is why position sizing matters in crypto. Audio, 65 seconds. So what were the big themes this week? Number 1, AI tokens were split. WorldCoin ran, but Fetch.ai sold off. The AI crypto trade is becoming more selective and less of a rising tide lifts all boats story. Number 2, DeFi is under pressure. Uniswap is the poster child, but you are also seeing weakness in other protocol tokens. The market is asking a hard question, where does the value actually go? Number 3, layer 1s were mostly flat to down. Bitcoin and Ethereum both dipped, Solana was down a bit, but Cosmos and Tron showed some relative strength. Number 4, memecoins cooled. Pepe and Floki both pulled back. Meme money rotates fast, and when it leaves quick. The clear takeaway is that this was a risk-off, stock-picking week in crypto rather than a broad altcoin rally. Audio, 65 seconds. Looking ahead to next week, here is what is on my radar. First, the CFTC has scheduled crypto talks for August 20th. Any clarity or confusion around regulation can move the market either direction, especially altcoins and DeFi names. Second, Jackson Hole starts August 27th. The Federal Reserve's messaging there matters for all risk assets, including crypto. If Powell sounds dovish, Bitcoin and crypto usually get a bid. If he sounds hawkish, expect pressure. Third, we are entering the back half of August. Historically, September is one of the weaker months for Bitcoin, so some traders start de-risking before Labor Day. Fourth, Ethereum ETF flows. The inflow and outflow pattern around ETH ETFs has been moving the price more than people expected. Watch that. And fifth, Bitcoin supply dynamics. We are still feeling the effects of the April 2024 halving, and long-term holder behavior can create sudden supply squeezes. Audio, 50 seconds. My take for next week: stay cautious and stay selective. The majors are pulling back slightly, altcoins are rotating hard, and the macro calendar is about to get louder with Jackson Hole. I am not making big directional bets here. I would rather watch how Bitcoin reacts around the $60,000 level and how Ethereum holds around $1,800. If those levels break with volume, the tone changes fast. As always, this is not financial advice. Manage your risk, size your positions, and never trade money you cannot afford to lose. If this was useful, like and subscribe. This is Boondocks Trader, and I will see you next week. Audio, 35 seconds.